Welcome to Market Movers, where we bring you the latest updates on significant market developments that every investor and trader needs to know. You need an edge in this game, and we're here to give it to you. Today, we'll be discussing the Reserve Bank of Australia's anticipated rate cut. Could this be the boost the housing market needs? We'll break it down. Plus, we've got our eyes on the surge in AI stocks. Are these gains the real deal or just hype? We'll separate the wheat from the chaff. And finally, we're diving deep into the key earnings reports to watch this week. Buckle up, because we're about to navigate the market roller coaster together. Alright folks, let's talk about the Reserve Bank of Australia. Word on the street is, they're about to make a move that could shake things up down under, and maybe even here in the US of A. We're talking about a potential interest rate cut, the first since the COVID craziness back in 2020. Now, some of you are probably thinking, Jim, why should I care about what's happening on the other side of the world? Listen up, because this is important. When Australia sneezes, the rest of the world catches a cold. This rate cut could inject some serious rocket fuel into their housing market. We're talking about potentially increasing borrowing capacities for homebuyers by a whopping 50,000 Aussie dollars. That's real money, folks. This could get those kangaroos hopping right back into the housing market, driving up demand and prices. And you know what happens when one market heats up? Investors start looking for the next hotspot, and that could mean good news for real estate here at home. But hold your horses. Before you go betting the farm on Aussie real estate, remember, there's always another side to the coin. A rate cut could also be a sign that the RBA is worried about the economy. Is this a preemptive strike against a looming recession? We need to keep our eyes peeled for any signs of weakness in the Australian economy, because what happens there could easily ripple across the globe. Now let's talk tech, baby. Specifically the AI revolution that's got everyone buzzing like a bee in a honeypot. We've got some major players like Amazon and Broadcom inching closer and closer to those magical buy points. You know what I'm talking about, folks? Those chart patterns that make my heart sing and my buy finger itch? Amazon, the behemoth of online retail, has been quietly building its AI arsenal. They're using it to personalize your shopping experience, optimize their logistics, and even power their voice assistant, Alexa. And let's not forget about their cloud computing platform, AWS, which is a major player in the AI game. Then we've got Broadcom, a semiconductor giant that's supplying the brains behind all those AI-powered devices. They're making the chips that make the magic happen, and their stock is reflecting that growth potential. But remember folks, the market is a fickle beast. Just because a stock is approaching a buy point, doesn't mean you should throw caution to the wind and go all in. We need to look at the fundamentals, the earnings reports, and the overall market sentiment before making any rash decisions. So what's the verdict? Are AI stocks a buy, sell, or hold? Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? But I'll tell you this, I'm keeping a close eye on these companies, and I'm ready to pounce when the time is right. Chapter 3, Earnings Season. Brace yourselves for impact. Hold on to your hats, folks, because earnings season is upon us. This week we've got some heavy hitters stepping up to the plate ready to report their quarterly results. Get ready for a wild ride as we dissect the numbers and figure out what it all means for your portfolio. First up, we've got Walmart, the retail giant that's been battling it out with Amazon for years. They've been investing heavily in their e-commerce platform and expanding their grocery delivery services. The question is, will it be enough to offset the impact of inflation and a potential slowdown in consumer spending? Next, we're heading east to check in on Alibaba, the Chinese e-commerce behemoth. They've been facing some headwinds lately, with the Chinese government cracking down on tech companies and the ongoing trade war with the US. But they're still a dominant force in the world's second-largest economy, and their earnings report will give us a glimpse into the health of the Chinese consumer. These are just a few of the major players reporting this week. We'll be keeping a close eye on the numbers, looking for any signs of strength or weakness in the market. Remember, earnings season is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. But with a little preparation and a lot of research, we can navigate the ups and downs and come out ahead. Thanks for tuning in to Market Movers. Stay informed and stay ahead with our latest market insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. We're here to help you navigate the market jungle and come out roaring like a lion. Remember, knowledge is power, and with the right information, you can achieve your financial dreams. Until next time, happy investing.